What's up everyone? It's Sunflower here at Camp Green Meadows, and for today's cabin tree, we are going to be talking about Manzanita trees, also known as Manzanita cabin here on campus. So if you guys want to learn a little bit about Manzanita trees, go ahead and keep on watching. All right, here on campus, we have some manzanitas. If you guys kind of already noticed the difference between manzanitas and other trees is that they're actually kind of smaller. Sometimes manzanitas can be even called plants, just because they grow kind of more like bushes rather than big trees like the other trees that you might see here on campus. So they're a little bit smaller. If we take a closer look at their bark has this very distinctive color red. It's also very smooth to the touch, and in some areas, it actually might flake off, almost like how you guys can resemble like paint that is chipping off from a wall. It's kind of like that. Their bark kind of chips off and it almost seems like there's paint, but it has a very distinctive color red. That's usually how I can kind of identify manzanitas, is just based off the color of their bark. If we take a closer look at their leaves though, their leaves tend to be really thick, kind of oval shape, kind of really stiff as well. If you guys also notice, it has a very like round, smooth edge to it as well. But their leaves itself is also really thick. Just by me bending it, I can tell that it's just super thick, almost feels thicker than paper. Manzanitas also bloom some flowers. So I chose this one just so you guys can see what kind of flowers they bloom. Their flowers vary from 2 colors, I want to say. Most of them you will see kind of like the pinkish color right here, but they also can grow flowers that are also white as well. A little fun fact about manzanitas is that they are actually very, very drought tolerant, which means that even during the hottest days or even the hottest summers, they'll actually keep majority of their luscious greenery, just because they're really used to kind of like the hot sun, and they're used to kind of retaining a lot of water for those days. So that's a little fun fact about manzanitas. Well, that's all I have for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching. I would really like to see if you guys can identify any manzanita trees where you guys live. If you guys do find any, if there are any where you guys live, go ahead and take a picture of it or take a picture with it and tag us all on our social media or on Instagram or anything like that. I would totally like to see what you guys came up with. Until next video, bye!